the audio is going to be a little problem because I am legit sitting in a cafe right now, and I had a meeting, and in between the meeting I just had this thought that about this thing that is going on in my life, and I had this realization, and I thought that why not I share all of these things with you all. And I'm sorry about the audio, it's really going to be horrible, but then it's very important to share what I have been thinking. So I spend a lot of time on Reddit lately, on these groups and these communities in which people share about things that are happening in their lives, about different issues, different problems that they're going through. And sometimes it just blows my mind that the kind of struggles that people have in their life, and it makes me think that my problems are literally so small in front of them. But then again, I'm not someone who's just like saying that someone's problem, just because someone's problem is bigger than someone else's problem, it does not mean that they're not experiencing the same emotion, because obviously we have the same set of emotions, and even though we have like different set of problems, the intensity can be similar, right? But I wanted to talk about perspective and how important it is for anybody, no matter what you're going through in your life, to have a little perspective and have a perspective shift towards things, towards your problems, to deal with it better. Now, why do I say this? Okay, whoever we are, no matter what background do we come from, what kind of financial situation that we come from, everybody has some sort of accessibility. Sometimes you have accessibility to money, sometimes you have accessibility to a job, sometimes you have accessibility to a community, to friends, to your parents, to family, to whatever, right? And whatever accessibility that you may have, there may be someone out there would not have that, right? Like, for example, someone may have a lot of money, but they will not have a very close group of friends. Someone will have a very close group of friends, but they will not have money. Someone will have money and close group of friends, but they'll not have a good family or family. Someone will have family and a close group of friends, but they'll not have like money. So if you think about it, if all of us have different accessibilities in our lives, and when we think about our problems, that okay, you know what, I am going through this, my relationship is messed up, my job is messed up, my business is messed up, my dad is messed up, it's very easy to get lost in those problems, because when something is not working out in our lives, it's very easy for us to focus on those things entirely and just like make that problem, that situation, that thing our whole world. But what you need to do is that you need to think about the things that you also have in your life. Maybe you have a great group of friends, right? That's where you can vent out. Maybe you have a family that's very supportive. And just when you have this perspective shift, just when you can think about things that you have in your life and be grateful about those things, you can have the strength to deal with your problems, whatever is happening in your life, a little better. The whole point of this is to not get lost in your problems and have the strength and mental capability to be able to fight with it and deal with it in a much better way, right? Because if whatever problems you're going through, if you do not have the mental bandwidth, if you do not have the mental strength to fight with it, you will get lost in that. You will feel isolated, you will feel lonely, you will feel like there's nothing in the world and I'm left alone and my world is crashing down and I don't have anybody. But then in that time, if you start focusing on the things that you have, and then if you try to make the best out of it, then those things will power your strength to deal with the things that is going wrong in your life in a much better way. And all this perspective shift comes from the place of being grateful, being a little more aware of the privilege that we have. Privilege can be different, right? Sorry, I just legit saw a rat in this Chayo's BKC where I am right now. I was just on one of these tables and I was just jumping, and I was like, I'm shit scared of rats. Anyway, so I was saying that privilege can be different, right? Your privilege can be your friends, your privilege can be your family, your privilege can be the job that you have, your privilege can be the community that you have, your privilege can be the personality that you have, right? And once you start acknowledging that, and once you start being more aware of that and just like try making the best of it, it will give you more strength and more empowerment to deal with the things that are not going great in your life in a much better way. So yeah, that's what I want to talk about. That let's just be a little more grateful, a little more aware, a little more conscious of the things that we have in our life, no matter what it is. You need to be aware that, okay, you know what, I have this in my life and this is something which is very strong, and it can help me deal with all my other things in much better way, and I can use this to power my strengths, to power my mental capacity to deal with the problems in my life. And I'm not saying that your problem cannot be as big that it can consume you entirely. It can. Your problem can be so huge that it can actually like consume you so much that it can blindside you to everything else that's happening that's there in your life. But in those moments when you are so weak, when you are completely fed up of everything, I would request you to please list down the things which are okay in your life. Try to make the best out of them. It will really help you. That's all.